Now here we have to create two tab buttons. One will be for the recent chats and the other one will be for the contact list of this current user whose name is Peter Parker, or any user, basically any user who is currently logged in, that user recent chats and the contact list we have to display. So for that purpose, after this container, let me add here a comment. This container is basically the header, okay, which simply means this, okay, the top area where we have profile picture Peter Parker, I mean the username and the logout button. After the header we have tab buttons. So for that purpose we can say const tab bar. The unselected label color will be colors.gray. Indicator color will be default color dot primary color. Then indicator height, indicator weight. So indicator weight will be 3, or you can set it to 4. And then label style, let's apply. So we want the size for this to be 16 and font weight will be bold. And then after the label style, the important thing for a tab bar is tabs, or in simple words you can say that two buttons, tab button. So the first tab will be recent chats, and then the next one will be the contacts list, or you can simply say contacts. So these are the buttons, and where we will implement it here. For now we will of course add the comments, that is from here we will implement the backend for it. The tab bar view, for example, when the user click on the recent chats will be displayed, and when the user click on the contacts, then all the contact list will be visible. So of course that is something that we will implement. So for now we will just add comment, that is display, or you can say show recent chats, and show the contacts list. So now let's just restart and see the user interface. So you see we have these two tabs, or you can say these two tab buttons. This one is the active one, so the color is black, and you can see this bar, okay, whose weight is 4, and when you click here, this is contacts. So if you want to make the size, I mean the weight, smaller, then you can do that by simply saying 2. So you see now it becomes little bit smaller, I mean the weight of it, you see it is 2 now, okay, the active.